a modern nature house design in Choulakia, Mykonos seamlessly blends contemporary architectural elements with the surrounding natural landscape. Situated on a picturesque slope overlooking Delos and Rineia islands, this architectural masterpiece harmonizes with the Cycladic terrain while offering luxurious living spaces. The design concept draws inspiration from both the archetypical architectural legacy and the Cycladic terrain. It aims to blend into the landscape while offering modern amenities and comforts. The building complex is seamlessly integrated into the natural landscape, with the entity not visible from the street. Outdoor spaces are emphasized, following an age-old Greek practice, and the landscape design aims for minimal alteration of the natural terrain. Xeromorphic plantings are utilized, which are resistant to local soil and climatic conditions, requiring low irrigation and maintenance. The design prioritizes privacy while maintaining connectivity with the surrounding landscape. Outdoor parking spaces are covered with a planted roof to ensure the presence of cars is not detectable from above. Clean lines, minimalist furnishings, and an understated color palette contribute to the contemporary aesthetic of the home, allowing the natural beauty of the surroundings to take center stage. Expansive terraces, courtyards, and outdoor seating areas blur the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing residents to immerse themselves in nature while enjoying modern comforts. The residence consists of 2 floors, with the above-ground part covering 120 square meters and the subterranean part approximately 130 square meters. The main living areas, including the living room, kitchen, and dining room, are situated around an atrium on the ground level, creating a central focal point. Additionally, 2 sleeping areas, an outdoor amphitheater, and a courtyard with a swimming pool are also part of the ground level. The second section of the residence is almost exclusively underground, consisting of 2 bedrooms and en-suite bathrooms. This section is connected to the main building via an open-air promenade and is sheltered by a planted roof.